Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start immediately by confirming prerequisites, installation media, and a working keyboard. Once the PC boots from USB or DVD, choose Language and Keyboard because the installer needs input. When you see the initial Windows setup screen with Install Now, do not click Install. Instead, look for Repair Your Computer in the lower left. Click that. It moves you into Recovery options. This is the first actionable step, because it gets you out of the normal setup flow and into advanced tools where the command prompt lives. Once done with Repair Your Computer, choose Troubleshoot to access recovery tools. This groups the utilities you need. Make sure to select Advanced Options because that's where the command prompt shortcut resides. Click Command Prompt and wait while Windows loads necessary drivers and accounts. You may be asked to choose an account and enter its password to unlock elevated access. If the option isn't visible, check firmware settings. Some machines require disabling Secure Boot or enabling Legacy Boot to allow recovery tools to run. Now you have Command Prompt. Use it for tasks like diskpart to inspect disks, bootrec to repair boot records, or copy and replace files. Execute commands deliberately, type dir to confirm paths, and use xcopy or robocopy for larger transfers. If Command Prompt fails to open, try a different USB port, recreate the installation media with the official tool, or test on another machine to rule out hardware. Finally, once finished, restart and remember to re-enable any firmware settings you changed for security.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.